Our philosophy is our responsibility to our customers is try to help them be as efficient as possible to make their parts and ship them out the door. And we need to help them accomplish their goals when it comes to that.
We really like to get in, talk to our customers, and really understand what they're dealing with day to day. See if there's ways that we can partner with them, help them get better at what they do, help them be more profitable and more successful in their business venture. And we really like to understand where the customer is in their processing, where they start in terms of taking material into their building, and then once it hits the machine and where it's going from there, and how we can help them be more efficient and streamlined in what they're doing. You have to be where their customer is and work with them at the point that they want that attention and that they really are looking for help. And that really is how we come together. Otherwise we don't exist as an organization. So the people part of it is the most important part.
We see it from all sides. We have people that have been within our organization for 35 plus years. We have other people that have been here for 10 but have come from plastic manufacturing world. The teamwork that we have is we lean on each other too. So I think we're the most agile team in North America. The needs for each customer are absolutely specific to them and their manufacturing facility.
So some customers may have some small niche need that needs maybe immediate attention. Someone else may have something very technically challenging and they're looking for good ideas to help get them to that next level.
We could go into two specific facilities today, right across the street from each other. They could have the same number of molding machines, same number of employees, everything else, and walk through those and dig into their processes and come up with two totally different solutions based on what their needs are. We have a medical application that we've done that those machines run less than 1 pound per hour of material. And then we have other applications where we're running 70,000 pounds an hour of material throughout the full facility. And that's why it's really important that we dig in with the customer and take a look at their specific needs. 70% of our business yearly is from existing customers. I think that's a testament about our team and how we treat our customers and partner with them. And then 30% are new customers. And that's a great ratio for us to continue to grow our business and also support our existing customers.